here at Rock and Roll. I have it facing up a little bit, so hopefully you guys get a good POV here from the front seat. We are front row.
Signs coming at you. I kind of want to see.
So we're gonna see, guys. I think this should be good. Just gonna hold on to it. Alright guys, I think if I'm like this, we should be good to go. Hat around my wrist. Never heard that rule. Got my phone in my pocket. There we go.
St. James here, broadcasting live from the Aerosmith concert. Seems like everyone in town is heading to this show, so there's traffic everywhere you go. But don't worry, we have this concert covered.
Yeah, we
right
do.
Here on LA's classic rock station.
Check radio for traffic info. I heard it's jammed. Oh boy. Here we go. That's always fun. Here it comes. Here we go. You're glowing, dude. My hat's glowing like crazy. Yeah. My shirt's glowing too. Woo! That was awesome.
That was a good one.
That's
That was
always.
actually, I think, the best on this ride.
It's so much fun.
Wow. What a fun ride.
Shoes are glowing even.
I'm not really. My aliens are glowing though, for good.
My pants are glowing in spots. My fingertips look weird.
Kind of. Oh.
Ooh.
That was fun. So is it only one loop or one corkscrew? Or is it 2 loops?
I thought it was a loop and like 2 corkscrews. But to be honest, I don't even know if it's a full loop.
I think it might be a half loop into a corkscrew actually.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Kind of like a cobra roll situation. Almost.
I don't know.
There it is. Woo. We made it to the private party. Woo!
Exit to your right. To your next
had my phone, my hat, and the GoPro.
I'm just making sure. Yeah, why?